Meowbahh Havery. Hi there, Meowbahh. Welcome to Meow's PNG tuber introduction. PNG tuber introduction. Meow's name is Meowbahh. Please call Meow, Meow. Meow talks in third person. Please use she, meow, magic, or dual pronouns for Meow. Meow is an aspiring kawaii Minecraft content creator. Meow is inspired by Meow's favorite creator, Sama. Meow asked Meow's viewers for some questions to answer in Meow's videos. Okie dokie, hey Meowbahh, how's your day night? It's great. Meow's day was lovely. Thank you for asking, Frogchat. What's your favorite tree recipe ship? Meow's favorite dream recipe ship is DreamX George. How did you come up with your pronouns? Meow feels a deep connection to Meow, don't magic. Meow for meows, spot for meows. Doll because Meow is a doll, and magic because Meow is a magical girl. How are you a magical